A lot of people in the United States has HVAC equipment in their home, in their attic, in this configuration. The indoor unit is sitting above a pan with the ductwork coming off of it laying horizontal. The only way that you can guarantee for sure in any circumstance that it will never flood your attic is to make your supply and your return air flush on the top, but where it goes down toward the bottom of the unit, toward closer to the pan, you make it 1 inch short. And then you could seal that area with a piece of ductboard or a piece of metal, whatever material you're using, and you do it on the return side as well. So if this coil were to ever freeze up, it would actually build up inside the unit if it thawed out too quickly and just come out the front panels instead of going out your duct system.